Hey guys, welcome to Dow Jones Futures Review. We're going to go over what went down since Monday the 8th evening time all the way through today, Thursday morning. We had FOMC last night. There wasn't that many great setups as the volatility has been very low, so I didn't bother making many videos, but today we'll try to go over everything very briefly here on Dow Jones Futures. I've been tracking this bull flag since last Thursday. You can see how we rejected on Friday, came down to the middle channel yesterday before pushing off of that level. So clearly that was great. We were on track with that. We're getting to 45-minute chart now. Start looking at what we saw. There wasn't that many great setups, but going into Monday evening, we were below this setup right here. We had some lows to work with, so the reclaim of that would produce a pop, a level up or two. So the reclaim occurred in the evening hours. We kind of sat on it for a while, and then we finally popped to the level above at 3 a.m. So that would have been about a 5-point trade. Not bad when you're looking at recent highs being very close nearby. You can take what you get. If you were patient with that trade, your runner would have stayed in it afterwards, and that would have ran up another 15 points, and you could have taken some profit there or hold on to your runner for more, up to you. I like to take profits at the max, usually 50 points up for now, as I'm still building my account. But once I get into better numbers myself, then I'll be able to hold that runner all the way to a stop loss, just because I'm okay with the amount of money I'm making with my other position. Anyways, on Tuesday morning, we rejected at this clear level, also at the bull flag pretty much. We were just about a point or two off of it. And then we came back down. Very, very bullish to me, respecting the channel. We came down to this zone right here and sat in that zone for a while all Tuesday night. Not much to do here going into Wednesday morning until yesterday. The setup that I would probably say is that we obviously undercut this middle channel line, something I'm monitoring but not helping me trade. We set this low, and then we started pushing up, and then we trapped below it real quick at 9:30 around the open. That was a clear sign of a trap because you see the clear two lows. So the green line was the entry for me because I'm looking to clear not only this one, but this little mini one, this little mini one, and in general, just above this zone, kind of considered a dip and reclaim as well type of setup with a couple traps out of its system. And after that entry, we took off 15 minutes later, and that was a great trade. We went from 47.60 all the way up to 60 plus points in a matter of a few hours. You can see we hit this level, came back, back tested this reclaim level, which was a reclaim level. So if you missed this entry, you could have been patient enough and waited for the acceptance here for the clear failed breakdown of this low. We came up to this level, pushed through, sold back down, pushed through again. That's the acceptance. Back tested it, second type of acceptance before pushing up again in the afternoon yesterday. That's all I'll go over for now on Dow Jones. You can see you had an active failed breakdown that I was looking for a couple of days ago. This is how I monitor what's going on. That way I know if I should be bullish or if I should sit on my hands and wait for a better setup. Overall, right now, the first setup I would see right now overnight, we finally had the reclaim of this level. You see how we sold underneath. We back tested it for a while. If we had sold more, a failed breakdown of this level right here would have been awesome, or at least a tag and dip and recovery. But we didn't get that. We stayed above, very bullish. We sold about 30 something points into this sell, so that's definitely a lot for Dow Jones. If you listen to my other videos, you can see the reclaim process happening. Hit it, slow down, hit it again, slow down a second time before pushing up around 3:45 a.m. In the overnight session. And then from now, we're up a lot. We're up over 18, 20 points from this reclaim. The next setup I will just see is maybe a back test of this area. So maybe I can see us hitting this minor level again one more time, a little dip into this zone before going up. If we're lucky, if not, it is what it is. Going below, a dip and recovery at this level that tags this, undercuts these lows could be possible. But ideally, I'm looking for something down here if we're lucky enough to get it, or down here if we're lucky enough to get it. So back with more on Dow Jones. Overall, very bullish. We're just looking to continue this rise up. My target has always still been right now recently this resistance coming up. It's constantly coming up. So my next target now would be closer to around somewhere around here. Let's see. We're still about 100 points away, so we'll probably get there, I think, this year. And then we don't know what happens after, and it doesn't matter. We play level to level. Have a great day, guys.